Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download TaxAct for Itemized Deductions easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type TaxAct download and hit enter. Look for the official TaxAct website link in the search results. Click on the link to navigate to the TaxAct homepage. Once on the homepage, locate the download or get started button. Click on that button to proceed to the download options. You may see different versions available for download. Select the version that best fits your needs, such as for itemized deductions. After selecting the version, look for the Download Now option. Click on that to start the download process. A pop-up may appear asking for permission to download the file. Grant the necessary permissions to continue. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded TaxAct file. Double-click the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. When prompted, agree to the terms and conditions to proceed. Choose your installation preferences as per your requirements. After the installation is complete, launch the TaxAct application. Now you can begin entering your itemized deductions. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Use the help resources within the software for any questions you may have. Start inputting your financial information to maximize your deductions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.